It would seem nowadays that everybody is using automated forex trading systems, also known as forex robots, forex EAs, trading software, and many other names. They are so popular nowadays. In fact, I think stats say that more and more of the trading that's happening in the stock market and in forex trading is now being done by software, by these algorithms, these automated trading systems. So it's understandable why wherever you turn there is somebody selling their own trading system. Wherever you turn there is somebody promoting their own forex robot, their own uh, forex EA. But how do you actually choose from among all of these forex EAs, automated trading systems, and softwares? How do you decide on which one is best for you? That's what we're going to talk about in this video. By the way, if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss future videos. Like the video. That's the only thing I'll ever ask you to do. Otherwise, I don't sell you things, I don't sell you stuff. Everything that we provide on this channel we provide for free. After watching this video, just look at some of the videos on this channel. If you are looking to download stuff, forex robots, indicators, book systems, and stuff like that for free, again, we said everything on this channel is for free. There are links in the description box below. Visit those links and see if you cannot find what you are looking for. Many people also always ask me about the brokers that I use. The links are in the description box below. So let's get back to our video. So how do you choose an automated trading system that's probably going to work for you when everyone is wants you to buy their own trading robot, they want to buy you their trading EA and stuff like that? So here's some a quick guide to just help you. So the first thing that you want to look at is trading data. The data does not lie. The data does not lie. You need to look at the data concerning that trading system. What usually happens? What usually happens is people who are promoting their forex robots trading systems. Usually, they are selling these systems with little or no live trading results to report. Sometimes they just test the robot on demo or on a simulated trading account, maybe for less than a month. And sometimes it happens that it was just a good month. Maybe that robot trends, and during that month the markets were trending, and then the person takes that robot and then they start showing you data that no, this robot makes a lot of money. This is how it performed during the past month. This is what it did and stuff like that, and then you easily get what you get hooked in. But then you take the robot and you put it on your own charts, it starts losing money, and you wonder what's wrong, what's going on here. So be careful of the data. What you want probably look at is at least 3-4 months of continuous trading data for on the robot. Or in the ideal world, you are looking at maybe 12 months. If somebody can show you that this is how the robot performed over a 12-month period, then you can be able to make a decision from there whether you want to buy it or not. And ideally you want to see that this robot was used to trade multiple forex brokers, was used to trade on multiple forex brokers on different accounts and different currency pairs. Things to watch out for: trading data. You are in this to make money, so don't buy these phony fake robots that probably will work for only one day, and the next day they're just like they blow your account. So first thing, look for concrete data on the robot. Does it really work? Has it really been tested for a very long time? Different brokers, different accounts, different currency pairs. Number two, you need to consider currency pairs. There are some people who sell robots that are like optimized for only one or two currency pairs. Yes, they can be profitable on that currency pair. For example, the robot only trades GBP USD or Euro USD. That's only what it does. Yes, it might be profitable on Euro USD, GBP USD, but sometimes you find that because the markets are ever changing, if that robot is only optimized for only one currency pair, it means you are going to lose on many opportunities, because at some point maybe your Euro USD or GBP USD is just going to go erratic, and you are going to want to look for another pair to trade, but now you are stuck with a robot that only trades Euro USD. You can't use it to trade any other pair, so now you are in a bind. The robot becomes useless. If you want to trade with it, Euro USD, it's losing money because the market is erratic at the moment. It's not moving. So you're now in a bind, you're just stuck. So ideally look for products or forex systems, robots, EAs that can trade even up to 5 currency pairs, which gives you options. If one pair is not moving or working out, you can easily switch on to another pair. Then the third thing that you want to look at is simplicity of trading. Of course, it's an automated trading system, but it mustn't make your life hard. The key goal that you are using automated trading systems is probably to free up your time, or probably so that you simplify your trading experience. So the robot should be able to be used by even a person who, like a novice trader. It mustn't be a robot that only is understood by an engineer or somebody who has been in the game only for 10 years, for 5 years, and stuff like that. Of course, the person should be able to kind of understand the strategy behind it, the setups and stuff that the robot is taking. But the robot should be like simple enough to install, and the person should be like when they get the robot, they can easily install it and get it working within 15 minutes. It should be like they need an hour of back and forth calls with the programmer in order to set up this robot. And the robot must come with good management, money management built into it. It must already come with ideally stop loss, take profit already put in place. Then some extras like trailing stop, break even. Those functions are also handy when it comes to trading. So you can still find good trading systems and robots, but you really need to dig down into some of these things. This might not be a complete list, but these are some of the things that you need to consider. First, importantly, look at the data. The person that is trying to sell you this robot, ask for the data. Look at how the robot has been performing, ideally not less than 3 months, and it should have been tested on multiple brokers, several accounts, and different currency pairs, so that you know what you are getting into. Secondly, currency pairs. Of course, you can make a lot of money just trading one currency pair, but some automated trading systems, if they are just optimized for only one currency pair, you might be in trouble if that currency pair becomes erratic and it's not like meeting the conditions that were programmed into your forex EA. So you need to at least have a forex robot that can trade up to 5 currency pairs. Then lastly, we said simplicity. It mustn't be rocket science. You should have a robot that you can easily install and use. You can easily understand what it's doing. It has good management built into it, stop loss, take profit, trailing stops, break even, and all those nice functions. If you have another consideration that you need, that you think is important for people choosing all these robots that are being sold online, leave it in the comment section below. Subscribe if you are not yet subscribed. Like this video. Until next time, bye.